Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Studio Fancy. So in this video I show you simple mockup edit. So let's see how to do it. Select the rectangle tool and draw the rectangle. Then set a color that you want and reduce the opacity. Then press the Ctrl T and adjust the rectangle to fit the can. Okay, then set the opacity to 100 and convert the layer to smart object. Okay, then duplicate the background layer and select the quick selection tool and select the subject. Then you can deselect the unwanted area. Then make a group and make a mask and put the rectangle shape layer into the group and double click it to open. Then you can put the label on the rectangle and adjust it to fit the rectangle. Okay, then press the Ctrl S to save it and go back to the beginning document. Okay, set it linear burn and again select the background, duplicate the background layer and select the subject. And select the solid color and you can set the matching color for the background. Okay, then press the Ctrl I to invert it. Okay, now you can see the background color is changed. Then you can set the linear burn. Then you can see the shadow of the can. Okay, then again duplicate the background layer and bring it to the top and select the camera raw filter and set the exposure to minus and enhance the white. Then put it the group and select the screen. Then you can reduce the fill. Using this step you can see the shine area of the can enhance. So I change the background color. So this is the final look of our mockup edit. So I think you guys enjoy this video, and I think this is very helpful for you. So if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.